Hey guys, thank you so much for being there again, for your comments and for subscribing. And okay, welcome to our channel. She's my dog, she's Blanqui. So I have been doing shopping and I want to share what I buy with you. So this is the box, it's heavy, but I want to show you everything. Okay, what I bought, sorry. Okay, this is a cleanser. This cleanser that I use with the galvanic current machine. I bought 2 more because I want to give some of this to my mom and to my sister. And I also buy 2 of these napka water. It's a moisture mix. It has hyaluronic acid and it's very moisturizer. I really love this. And I bought this gel. This is for this area here and for your body. And I want it from my mom. So this 1, 2, and I also buy gels to use it with the galvanic machine and the cream, the magic cream. This is magic. I love this cream. I don't sell these products. I have to say I don't sell these products. I buy all of this. All of this to a girl that I know who sells these products, but I am not a seller. That's what I buy. And this cream, I really love it for my lines here, for my eyes, and especially here when I use it with the machine. It's crazy, guys, but I love these creams and I love this machine. I think it really works. So if you can find it or if you have it, please use it. I also buy a galvanic current machine, and I want to open it for you. And okay, this is the machine, this is the device, the galvanic facial spa system number 2. All of this says here, and I'm going to open it. So let me see how. Oh wait, give me a second. Oh, I need a scissor. Oh, that's it. Okay, and let's see what it has inside the box. Well, this is the box. I open the box and this is the device. It has this manual. I read it before when I tried this device for the first time. And all of this is in the box and I'm going to show you. So this is a device and this is one attachment. We can take it off to use another one. And the other attachments are here. Oh, this is the charger and a little this is to keep everything inside this bag. And the other tools are these attachments. This one is for use it in level number 3, this one. And you can use it with the cream that I bought or another cream. In fact, I use my machine with another creams too. And it also comes with this. I have never used this one. I have to try it. But look how is this. This is for our hair. So we can use it on your hair. I need to read the manual again because I didn't know about this. I am honest. Okay. And it also, oh, and this one. This attachment is for our body and we can change it. Put it here and we can work here with this using, sorry for the mess, using this gel or another fat dissolver. You can use it here and in the rest of our body. And with this attachment, I use it with the gels who came into this box. Okay, it comes like this. We have the other attachments. This for using with any serums or creams. This is for our double chin, neck, and our body. And another one for hair, and I need to check the manual because I don't know how to use this one. It also comes when I bought this machine. It comes with one box of gels and also with this napka water, and it also comes with the cleanser, with this cleanser, and I like this cleanser too. So we can open this one. Oh no, it's not the right side. Okay. It's supposed I have to do for it. Okay. But this is the cleanser. We do this and then we apply on our face. I'm not going to clean my face right now, so those are my Christmas gift for my mom and for my sister. One machine for my sister and another one for my mom, and this is for me. So thank you so much for being there, guys, and thank you so much for your time. We see you in the next video that I'm going to do right now, so I see you in a few minutes. I really love you guys. Thank you for being there.